ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
Namaste and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I would like to thank Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today, I'm going to deliver a speech on importance of time. My dear friends, because if you know the value of time, you will do something best in your life. Time is most powerful and precious thing than other things in a life. Even from money in this world, time comes and goes at its world, but never stay. This we all know very well. The best way to utilize time in a useful manner, you should make a timetable to do everything at right time. Most of us don't know the value of time. My friends, do you think about time management? How do I want to ask you all? Do you act according to your schedule? How do you spend your day? What is your future plan? And what is your ambition? If you don't know what is your ambition, you should fix your ambition because time is very important. Once a precious time, it goes forever and never comes back, as it runs only in the forward direction and not in the backward direction. It is very true that if one person does not the value of time, time also never understand the value of that person. So today, I too should think that how do you utilize your time? Because if we destroy our time, time also destroys us very badly. It is true that time and tide wait for none. At a moment, time gives only one chance. If we lost it once, can never get back. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.